Business email compromise is the second most costly cybercrime in the United States. Not by volume, but by dollar amount. It requires no malware, no hacking, no technical sophistication. It is a precision social engineering attack that exploits trust, timing, and the mechanics of a wire transfer. And for clients in the middle of closing a house or an estate settlement, it is specifically engineered to arrive at the worst possible time. Business email compromise has generated $17.1 billion in reported losses over the past decade, a 1,025% increase since 2015. The average loss per incident in 2024 was approximately $129,000. For clients in real estate closing or estate settlements, individual exposure is often significantly higher. The FBI's recovery asset team achieves a 66% recovery rate, but only when victims report within hours of the transfer. After 24 to 48 hours, the funds are functionally unrecoverable. Business email compromise is researched and targeted. Criminals spend days or even weeks monitoring publicly available information, company websites, LinkedIn, court records, real estate filings, to identify who authorizes payments and what transactions are in progress. The criminal then either compromises a legitimate email account or creates a spoofed address designed to pass casual inspection. A single transposed character, a different domain suffix, a display name that matches the expected sender while the underlying address does not. The fraudulent message arrives at the right moment when a closing is imminent, a payment is expected, or urgency provides cover for bypassing verification. It contains revised wire instructions. Everything else appears authentic. AI voice cloning is now being used to reinforce these attempts. Criminals call with a cloned voice of your advisor or closing agent to verbally confirm the fraudulent wire. Several controls materially reduce exposure, and most of them cost nothing but discipline. Treat any change to wire instructions as a red flag. Legitimate parties rarely change banking details mid-transaction. Always verify by phone before wiring. Call the party who appears to have sent the instructions using a number you obtained independently at the beginning of the relationship, never from the email you're trying to verify. Establish wire instructions at the start of every transaction. Confirm payment details directly by phone and document them before any closing or settlement is imminent. As we've said before, slow down when you feel the sense of urgency. Business email compromise relies on time pressure. A buyer approaching closing is already under pressure. Criminals know this. Require dual authorization for large transfers. 2 individuals should independently approve any wire above a defined threshold. No single email instruction should be sufficient to move significant funds. And act immediately if fraud is suspected. Contact your financial institution's fraud department within minutes. Request a wire recall and file a complaint at ic3.gov. The FBI's 24-hour window is a hard operational reality. And for transparency, Avion Wealth will never instruct you to change wire instructions by email or text alone. Any such instruction must be confirmed by calling our office directly. The full Intelligent Wealth Protection Guide covers this and many other topics in depth. Checklists, resources, and step-by-step actions that you can take now to protect you and your family. So download your copy today.